Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday, and normally I don't do anything in the garden on Sundays, but today I decided to come out and do a few chores. I'm going to water my GreenStalk with my hand wand. Going to pull up a little dirt around my, or soil around my collards here in this bed, and I'm going to do some harvesting of peppers in the greenhouse. Let's go. So here in the GreenStalk, I planted, what did I plant? In the bottom down here, we have turnips that I planted previously, and they seem to be doing much better now that I'm paying attention to them. And in these beds here, I believe I planted, since I didn't put a label, some kale. None of it has come up yet or anything like that. In the top, we have some green onions that I cut the bottoms off and planted. And we have some more big daddy collard greens. And these are slowly but surely catching and starting to grow. I haven't figured out a way yet to connect my drip system to this particular GreenStalk planter. I know that they have kits that you can connect it, you can buy and use to connect, but I want to see if I can do it by myself and without having to spend extra money to do it. So what I'm doing here is putting my finger in the reservoir hole, and I'm filling up the reservoir. And then I'm going to take my finger out and let everything get watered from the top down. Okay, and just like that, we've watered the GreenStalk. I'm going to go get my hori, and we're going to pull up or mound dirt around these greasy collards here. So in a recent video, I showed you my hori knife, my new hori knife that I got from SenGreen. And as I stated before, I'm loving it. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave the link for them in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. So what I'm going to do is just use the straight edge of this to pull soil closer to the plants and mound them up. So we're going to start here and just slowly mound up the soil next to the plants. And then we're going to go on the other side and do the same thing. And this kind of helps to support the plant so that it doesn't lean to one side or anything like that. And last but not least, we're down here. Now, one day this week, I may hit them with a dose of liquid fertilizer to give them a boost real quick of nutrients. And I may do that for the onions as well. But we've got these mound up, and now we're going to go harvest some peppers. Inside my greenhouse here, I have my pepper plants that are normally in pepper row, and I moved them in to protect them from the cold, and they're thriving in here very well. These plants that you're looking at have very, a lot of ripened peppers on them. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest um, the ones that are ripe and some of the green ones as well. I'm out in my brassica beds and I'm looking to see how they're doing. And here we're looking at a cabbage. It's starting to have the leaves fall into a ball, which is awesome. And we're looking at some of the other plants that we have in this particular brassica bed. We have collards, mustards, and cabbages here. Everything looks to be doing great. In the sister bed next door, we have broccoli and some more purple broccoli, some Brussels sprouts, and it looks like here we have our first head of broccoli that is making its appearance. That's awesome. Everything looks well. No signs of disease or pest or anything like that. Few videos back, we did have a problem with slugs, and I sprayed with BT, and the white powder that you see is diatomaceous earth, and that seems to have taken care of the issue. We're going to go to my last brassica bed here, and this bed has the 4 different collards. I'm sorry, 2 different types of collards rather, and 2 different types of cabbages. These are the Georgia Southern Georgia Southern collards, and they are getting big again from where we harvested them during Thanksgiving. And back there are the Vates collards. They're getting big again as well. My purple cabbages slowly but surely look like they're starting to curve in. The center leaves are starting to curve in and form a head. And the green cabbages are doing the same down here. So everything's going along well. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did these few chores on a Sunday, something that we rarely do. Usually Sunday is my day of Sabbath and relaxation, and I don't do much outside. But we came out and took care of a few chores, and that's a good thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will as well. Take a moment to consider becoming a member of the channel also. 3 to 5 times a month, I will upload member-only videos, have member-only conversations, and maybe, if I get enough interest, do free seed giveaways. I hope the video brought a smile to your face and a little warmth in your heart. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.